Hi, this is Jillian with another episode of Marketing Easy Peasy, because marketing your small business online should be easy peasy. I'm going to walk you through the process of signing up for a LinkedIn account. So you start off by putting your email in the email. It's a good idea to use a business email, an email that you can get access to all the time. Then you want to have a password, and you see that it needs to be 6 or more characters. So put in a password that you'd like to use for your account, and then you're going to hit agree and join. Now you need to put in your first name, and then your last name, and then hit continue. Okay, at this point, you're going to have to select what country you're in. So let's go through here, United States. No, it's not there. Maybe it's up at the top. Let's go to the top. There it is. Oops, did Afghanistan, United States. Okay, and now you want to put in a phone number for verification purposes. And then submit. And now you're going to get a code on your phone. So get that code and type it in and hit submit. And that's it. You're in. So now you put in your zip code. If you're in the United States, put in your zip code, and that will automatically find what area you're in. If you go with the metropolitan area, it just gives you a wider range of contacts. So it's kind of worth doing. And at this point, it's kind of going to start walking you through what you need to do. So put in your most recent job title, and then put where that you actually worked at. And it's going to go out and find that if there's a page associated with that company, it's going to find it. So select from that list, and then you'll have a nice logo next to the business that you worked at. And hit continue, and it wants confirmation of your email, so just go to your email and you should receive a code. Type that code in and then hit agree and confirm. If you're looking for a job, you do yes, but we're not, so just not now. Let's just choose that. And that's it, we're in. So you can see that's the basics of an account. You're seeing a little bit of information in the news feed, which is Utah State University, because that's where we chose to work. And that's it. You are in, and you can start building your profile. You're at the beginner level, so you'd start with your photos and headers and all that great stuff, and LinkedIn will walk you through everything you need to know. And I hope you've enjoyed today's episode of Online Marketing Easy Peasy. And if you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. If you have a question, please leave a comment, and we respond to each and every comment that we get. And if you want to not miss the next episode of Online Marketing Easy Peasy, be sure you subscribe, and then that way you'll get an email as soon as we post the next episode. Thanks.